Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, remove the phone, power it down, and separate the case. Mix 1/2 cup warm water with 1 drop of mild dish soap. You want gentle surfactant action to break oils. Dip a microfiber corner or cotton swab, squeeze out excess so it's damp, not dripping. Gently blot and wipe the stained area. This lifts top layer grime without dissolving dyes. Once done, rinse the microfiber in clean water, and make sure to inspect the hidden test spot for color fastness before proceeding. Now you handle tougher marks. Apply isopropyl alcohol to a cloth, never pour directly, because it dissolves inks and oils while minimizing damage. For ink or marker stains, dab, wait a few seconds, then wipe away. Repeat with fresh cloth until lift occurs. For greasy residues, sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda, press gently, and let it absorb oils for 5 to 10 minutes, then brush off and wipe with soapy, damp cloth. Make sure to alternate methods and test each on a hidden edge. Finish by rinsing any residue and air drying the case completely. 10 to 20 minutes usually suffices. Do not use heat. Once dry, inspect for remaining marks. If color fades or material softens, stop immediately because solvents can damage finishes. If a stain persists after safe steps, consider a replacement case or cover skin. This saves the phone and restores appearance. One troubleshooting tip: if cleaning causes discoloration, switch to milder soap and water, and contact the case maker for guidance before
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.